Welcome to the Off-Road Club. My name's Rob. I'm half the Off-Road Club. It was started by my brother Craig and I, who obviously is the other half. We both bought Jeeps around the same time. We reconnected over our shared love of Jeeps and off-roading. And you know what? We figured, why not? Why not share the stories of all the cool people that we've met, the most amazing people in the world, and the greatest community that we've ever been a part of. We've got people like our good friends Essie and Lane Gilbert out of Jasper, Georgia. They run this thing called Hammer Lane Off-Road and Custom. They make some of the most sickest rigs I've ever seen in my life. They have hundreds of acres that they go off and off-road on and invite people in. And they invited me into their home and their heart without a second thought. One of our other amazing founding members, Gary Rowland out of Lewisville, Texas, the guy builds, seriously, the craziest lifted vehicles. He's the most generous, genuine, caring guy you would ever know. It's stories like that and the people that we met that inspired me to create this channel and inspired my brother to go around and talk to people, do birthday parades for little kids during the times that we're in. That's what you get with this channel. We share gear, we share rigs, how to build it, how to do it on a budget. Most importantly, how to have fun in the off-road community. From Georgia to Washington and everywhere in between, we have met the most amazing people, and those people are part of our club. And that club is what we're inviting you to with this channel on YouTube. So if any of this interests you, please hit the notification bells and the subscribe button and join us. If not, we understand. Regardless, we hope to see you on the trails. Thank you.